All right, 10-minute time limit per exercise. So if you max out on your speed in a given day at say 7 minutes, just call it there. No need to keep going the additional 3 minutes. Just once that 10 minutes hits, that's it, you're done. The last high speed you got is what you got. So keep track of your progress, and like writing down how fast you get each day on that page is a good idea. Remember to focus on accuracy above all else. If you hear a bunch of extra strings ringing out, then it doesn't count. If you're bending stuff out of tune, it doesn't count. You gotta go for that accuracy every single time, no matter what. That's the only way it's going to improve and get better. So I'll play this at some different speeds here so you have your comparisons. And here we go, 60 beats per minute. Because it's straight eighth notes, don't worry about counting this. I'm going to count off still, so this way you know when I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. $90. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do one more. Now remember, you do not have to get to any of these speeds. These are here just as a reference. So if you get to these higher speeds, you can play along with me to make sure that you sound correct. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. $90. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. $150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to ask yourself, was that good enough to be on recording? If the answer is no, gotta clean it up. I'd much rather you do a kick-ass 60 beats per minute versus a sloppy 120. Accuracy is king. Alright, number 3, a suggestion I gave was for your first day of practice, just tap your foot and count along with the metronome. Don't strum anything for this. So you can still work that up for like 10 minutes. Be perfectly fine. Great idea. It'll really help you understand the rhythm better if you do that. Here we go. 60 beats per minute. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and question if I screwed up that count at the beginning, so I'm going to do 60 beats per minute again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, counting along with number 3 past 120, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Up to 120 though. Good idea. Okay. I believe you had just this last page to fill things out. So once you get the chord names filled in, well, actually, no, you finished it. Yeah, you did. You did. You were just tabbing things out. That's right. So what you could do, you know, for like number 1 or the first progression here, is say you got your 60 beats per minute. In fact, you might want to do this for all of them. In fact, let's just do this for all of them. Change the channel here. Okay. So, you have whole note rests to fill in each bar. So basically, you got 4 count, or 4 beats, right? So, use that to your advantage. Don't worry about having the entire chord, or having the chord ring out all 4 beats. So do this. For example, so you got your 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, move to the new chord. 1, get to the new chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Resolve chord. Okay. Do that for all of them. So once you can do that for the first progression there, call it good. Move on to the next one. Same thing. So when you can play at 60, giving yourself all 4 beats to get to the new chord, then just, yeah, do that for all of them. And then to increase the challenge, give yourself less time. So let's just stay with the first one right there. So let's say you get through all 8 progressions. Well, you can come back through it and start tightening up how quickly you got to get to the next one. So now you're going to strum it twice and go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So on. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, let me know. But yeah, if any questions come up, let me know. And I'll see you again next week.